When we designed the lab, we included some extra creative tools. The augmented reality feature lets you embed a video right in your Polaroid picture. To start off, just open your app and choose an image. On the bottom left, there's a button called Add Media. Press that. You can choose to view an AR photo or create a new one. We're going to create a new one. Here, you can choose a video or another photo. You can choose to make the AR photo public or private. Public means that anybody with the app can view the video. Private means only you can view it right on your phone. We're going to go for a public one. You can make it widescreen full or square. We're going to go for square because it fills out the Polaroid picture. You can trim the video, make it shorter or longer, click done, and the photo will upload. When it's uploaded, you'll notice a small barcode on the bottom right of the photo. That's there for security, so only this photo can show the video you've embedded. Next, expose the photo. The photo will take about 15 minutes to develop. So this is the AR photo developed. You choose the AR viewer from the main menu of the Polaroid Originals app and put the photo right in your camera. And that's how it's done. Now it's your turn to get your memories out into the world.